I just wanted to show like really the old me as far as rap goes, because I know that's the approach that I used to take to music, just like go hard, full throttle.
Polo G has a style that takes a different approach than all of his peers. He prioritizes rapping. He uses a style I call bar you to death. It's basically just a non-stop barrage of bars. It's an approach where syllables and rhyme dictate everything. First, let's get into the rhymes. For example, on 33, this whole verse is structured by the 2-syllable flow that rhymes with tech out. As you see, stretched out, sex now. Now, this verse is standard Polo G. When he finds a 2 to 4 syllable rhyme, he sticks to it, rarely switching from that in the span of a verse. But when he does want to change that flow, he simply just rhymes a different number of syllables than the one he did previously. For example, in Go Stupid, he starts with the 3-syllable flow, poppin' shit, droppin' shit, Glocks and shit, hotter shit. Then he switches it to the 2-syllable flow, cash off, ass soft, blast off. Another thing about these rhymes is they are perfect or nearly perfect rhymes. This helps keeps the flow even tighter, and it helps the raps hit even harder. Let's go to a rhyme dictionary. See, the thing is about a rhyme dictionary is until your rapper brain has fully developed to pull rhymes out of your ass, then you're kind of gonna need some help to understand where you can go with your rhymes. And a great way to do that is by using a rhyme dictionary. I mean, for sex now, we could do dead now, said now, then how, this now, again how, steps out, effect out, steps down, suggest how. Look at all of the possible rhymes and bars we could create. There is no crazy melody here, but where he does inject his little melodic leap is on the first syllable of the rhyme. He either stretches that syllable or he adds an emphasis to that syllable. And a really kind of over the top example of this would be in his song Heartless. My youngins heartless, they ain't playing no games. We really want him dead, he gon' hit him close range. He fucked up in the head, he wanna see some more brains. On that corner, I can stay up by that dope game. You know, even on the second part, heat blow, reload, peephole, depot. The vowel sound in that first syllable is what allows you to turn words melodically in any case when you're doing this music thing, because vowel sounds can be stretched. Like, say for instance, the word love. The O in love can be stretched. It ain't no love in these streets. It can be stressed. It ain't no love in these streets, so I stay strapped. Ain't no love in these streets, so see how one I stretched it and the other one I just love, and I added that leap. Because of the O, the vowel sound in that, I'm allowed to do that. Any word with a vowel sound you can stretch out and make it melodic. This method is used in every single Polo G song, verse, whatever. It's so refreshing because his peers aren't rapping like this. They approach the song as singers. He's approaching the track as a rapper, which brings me to the other side of his style, which is cadences.